Dreamers, hey, how you doing? Good day. Hola. How's it going? So, I'm sorry. I really shot nothing today. I did just edit the last 2 days. I promise. If you're watching this, you probably watched both of them. If you haven't, they're on there. They took me a while. To be honest, I really didn't do, any of the editing today. When we got back from the trip, I was just kind of like, we were all bleh. We all went to bed right when we got home. So, and then we had to clean all the stuff up this morning. So, it's been interesting. Don't look at my hair. Sorry. Don't look at it. Just, it's a horrible mess. I didn't shoot anything today. We've just been watching new movies all day. Which, in most cases, until like today, it's been a great day. It's really bright in here. I like that. It's good for the camera. Good for the camera to see me. But both of those days are edited. Right now, I haven't actually produced them yet or uploaded them. So, but if you're watching this, you've probably seen them. So, I'll be honest. It's been a good day. It's been a relaxing day. I still have school off tomorrow, so it's been good actually. Bam! Valentine's Day. I don't know if I read that. That's gonna be sitting there for a while because I'm trying so hard to not eat as much junk. Just eat some good stuff for you. I mean, come on, salads, no non-sodas, water, things of that nature. It's gonna be a really, really, really fun week because I got a lot planned for video production stuff. We have like somebody just asked me to help them do like a 5-7 minute video for their club and all this great stuff. So that's in the works. And I also have 2 commercials I think I gotta do, plus the mounds and mounds and mounds of scholarship stuff I gotta look through and apply for and actually write and all that stuff. So it's gonna be a fun day, weeks, months, I don't know, however long these scholarships are gonna actually turn in. So if you know anything and you know any scholarships I should apply for, I would be welcomed. You're welcomed into my life. And comment and whatever to tell me some of these amazing scholarships you apparently found. Because I've searched unusual things. I've searched weird scholarships. I've searched normal, local, national, burger and fried. There's all kinds of scholarships out there, but you just actually got to find one that you want and you want to actually do. And actually think you have a chance at getting. So I got to do all that stuff. And there's going to be a lot going on. Anyways, so that's it for today. I'm sorry. I really am deeply sorry for not putting anything up for the last 2 days. But last day, just tell me to shut up, because I'm going to shut up now. That's it for today. You want to go see what I'm actually working on right now? You want to see it? Come on, follow me down to... That drumline was awesome. I'm telling you, the scat drumline is really crazy. I totally flipped because I didn't know they were actually going to be on stage playing during that whole intro comm scene where everybody was in there. It was crazy, but it was awesome because I missed that. I missed that at the beginning of the year, fall, whole marching band thing. I missed that kind of stuff because I do it all the time. I've done it for 5 years. Anyways, so that's it for today. This is not going to be a one-taker like I thought. I just throwing it all together. So, I'll see you next time. I'll have plenty of time to do whatever I feel like the next day. Well, that's it for today. So, I will see you tomorrow. Good day for everybody out there. I'm going to get really close to the camera right now. Even though you really don't want to see me, I don't want you to be that close because I look ugly today. Look freaking ugly. Come back tomorrow to see me all awesome. That's it. So...